Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to solve an equation. And here we have x squared and then plus with x divided by x plus 1 all raised to square minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so this question has a trick, but if you would like to give a try, please pause the video, and if you are ready, please keep watching. Okay, so now I'm going to solve a full solution for you. Please stay tuned to find out how can we solve these questions together. Okay, so here we have x squared and then plus. So now we have x over x plus 1 all raised to square, which is could be written as x squared and x plus 1 also raised to square. Yeah, and then here we have minus 3. So we can move minus 3 to the right hand side of the equation, then equal to 3, right? Okay, so now we have x squared here, and here's also x squared. So I can factor x squared. So I can take x squared in common, and then we will get 1 plus 1 divided by x plus 1 all raised to square. Okay, and then equal to 3. Alright, so next we have to find the common denominator of these fractions inside the bracket. So we will get x squared. So then here we have 1 times x plus 1 all raised to square. So we got x plus 1 all raised to square. And then we plus with 1 here. And then all divided by the denominator here. Okay, and then equal to 3. Okay, so then next I can expand this factor and calculate it. So we got x squared. X plus 1 all raised to square could be written as x squared and then plus 2x plus 1 and then plus 1. Okay, and then divide by x plus 1 all raised to square equal to 3. Okay, so then here is 2x and then 1 plus 1 is also equal to 2. So here we have 2 like this. Okay, so now I can factor these two terms. I can take 2 in common. So then we can put x squared and then x squared and then plus. I take 2 in common and then we get x plus 1 here. And then divide by x plus 1 all raised to square equal to 3. Okay, so now I can separate these fractions into two terms. So x squared. So then we have x squared here over x plus 1 all raised to square. Okay, okay, so then plus with we have 2 factor x plus 1 also over x plus 1 all raised to square, then equal to 3. Okay, alright, so now we have x plus 1 here, and here's also x plus 1 raised to square. So we can simplify x plus 1 with x plus 1 here. Okay, so then we will get x squared factors. So this part still the same, alright, and then plus with here we have 2 over x plus 1, then equal to 3. Okay, so now we got here. Okay, so now I'm going to expand this factor. So we will get here we have x squared times x squared, which is equal to x to the power 4, and divide by x plus 1 all raised to square, and then plus here we have x squared times 2, which is 2x squared, divide by x plus 1, and then equal to 3. Okay, so then here we have x to the power 4 over x plus 1 raised to square, which could be written as x squared over x plus 1 and all of them raised to square, okay? And then plus with 2 times x squared over x plus 1 equal to 3. Alright, okay, so now we have, here we got x squared over x plus 1, and here's also x squared over x plus 1. So in order to make it easier for us to calculate, then we have to let t equal to x squared over x plus 1. Okay, so then we can take t to substitute into our original equation here. It will change to a new equation in terms of t, and here's also t. 2 times t, which is 2t, okay? Alright, then now we have to solve a new equation, which is t squared plus 2t minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so now we are going to find the values of t. So I will be solving this quadratic equation by factorizing. So it could be written as t minus 1 factors with t plus 3 equal to 0, okay? So when we have two factors times together and it is equal to 0, so we can give each factor equal to 0. We got t minus 1 equal to 0 and t plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so then equivalent to t equal to 1 and t equal to minus 3. Okay, so then we have t equal to 1 and we can substitute t into these equations. So when we got t equal to 1 here and we have a new equations here in terms of x, so we have to find the values of x now. So then equivalent to, so then I can take x plus 1 times cross to here, so then it will be equal to x plus 1 equal to x squared. Yeah, okay, then we can move it to one side, so that will be x squared minus x and then minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, then we have to solve these equations to find the values of x. So this is just a quadratic equation, so we can solve it by using a formula x equal to minus b and plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and divide by 2a, and then equal to, okay, so the values of b, so b is here, so which is equal to minus 1, so then we can put minus 1 here, and here we have minus 1 raised to square, and here we have a which is 1, so we can times with 1 here, and then c is equal to minus 1, so we can put minus 1 here, yeah, and then here we have a is equal to 1, so times with 1 like this, so minus with minus we got plus, yeah, so that will be 1 plus or minus 1 all raised to square, which is equal to 1, and here we have minus 4 times 1 equal to minus 4 times minus 1, which is equal to plus 4, right? So here is equal to plus 4. Okay, so then now equal to 1 plus or minus square root of, so we have 1 square, which is equal to 1, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, and that will be divided by 2. Okay, so now we finally got the answer for x, which is 1 plus or minus square root of 5 or divided by 2. Okay, alright, so now we have found one questions when t equal to 1. So what if t equal to minus 3. Okay, so then we're gonna talk about t equal to minus 3. Okay, so we take t equal to minus 3, substitute into this equation, so we got minus 3 here. Okay, so now I can take x plus 1 times cross 2 here, then we will get minus 3x and then minus 3 equal to x squared. Okay, so then I can move minus 3x and minus 3 to one side of the equation, so then we will get x squared plus 3x and then plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so then now we will be solving these equations, but if you solve it, then you will find the root of these equations has no values in real numbers. So that means this equation has no roots in real numbers, so we don't have to solve it. Okay, so therefore the root of the equation x here, which is equal to this one, right? Okay, so now finally we have found the root of these equations, which is x equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 all divided by 2. Okay, alright, so now we have finished solving this equation, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video. And goodbye, see you in the next video.